Islam plays a central role in the kingdom of heaven and is alluded to in uh, the uh, Canterbury Tales. It is shown as something that Chaucer interacts with. So allow me to put on the audio for this so you can understand some of the dynamics at play when Orlando Bloom's character, goes to the beaches of Messina and sees the prayers of the Muslims. What happens is this kind of uh, polyethnic, multi-denominational polity that actually existed in Chaucer's era and lifetime, because it defined the what I should say is cosmopolitan reality of a world after the Crusades. The Knight's Tale includes mention of the Crusades, and in the prologue, we are told that he had been exposed to various thinkers. There's mention of another character who has been versed in the Muslim sciences. It's a worthwhile comprehension of cosmopolitanism. Now, why does Chaucer exclude the Muslim presence from England, even though it is part of their society and clearly influential? I think that's an important comprehension to make when we understand the development of a British identity as distinctly uh, one opposed to the presence of black and brown faces or different religions different from their state religion. Now, here's the scene where we see this cosmopolitan existence.
And Italy becomes rich as the Savior intended.
Who are those men?
Muslims. Saracens.
And they are allowed their prayers.
If they pay the tax, Subhana Rabbil Hadin. Praise be to God. It is proper to praise him.
Sounds like our prayers.
So in that scene, you see a very modernist statement where Orlando Bloom points out that the English translation of the Muslim prayers sound like the prayers of the Anglicans. And that is absolutely a historical inaccuracy, because in the world of the Crusaders, such thoughts were simply unacceptable. In terms of comprehension, we need to grasp the Muslim Ottoman Turks and their subjects that were Crusaders were all designated as Saracens. And likewise, the Europeans were all called by one Arabic word, the Franche, because they made a port of departure with the Franco-German shore to reach the Middle East. Now, here's another scene that shows certain certain scrutiny and skepticism of medieval religion.